Welcome guys to another video at the Happy Family, and today I'm going to be playing Piggy the Bad Trap, the bad ending. I wish to be alone, but you memories continue to torment me. You are just as stubborn as I was when I tried to save my wife. But this time, I will stop you as I should have stopped myself. Don't you shoot that bullet at me, Mr. P. Don't know why, but
Crazy too.
yeah, I'm also playing here with my brother.
Yeah!
Yeah, we're all excited.
Guys, the only thing that I already know where no, oh my god. Mr. P was almost gonna shoot me back, but come on, bro, let's go get it.
Get the blue key.
You have it?
No, get the... Okay,
Oh
just get the red key. Get the red key.
Where's the red key? I don't know.
It's right behind me, bro.
Behind you where? I need to go where you are. What do you mean? Don't get it.
Now how am I supposed to do this by myself?
What do you mean? I'm with you. Man, why are you?
Ah, it's a bot.
Is the bot chasing you?
Technically,
Technically,
you
yeah.
get them distracted, and I'm gonna go get the
Orange block?
no. Okay, yes, I'll get the orange one.
Yeah, please. I need it.
But if they're chasing me,
Guy.
are they chasing me?
Yeah, he's chasing me, not me. You're not you. He's chasing me.
Okay, I got
Which is so
the.
annoying.
Okay, do not let him chase me.
Huh. I'm distracting him, right?
Okay. There we go. Now I got the orange. Dude, keep distracting him. I need to get the red key.
No, I need to get the orange. I need to go where the orange is.
Okay, go into orange.
I need you.
Is he chasing me?
I don't know. You say yes. I don't know.
Okay. Run away. I'm safe. Kind of. Kind of safe.
Kind of safe. You're right.
Quick.
You're not gonna be safe next time. Where is that door again? No, it's locked? Please.
I'm running. Wait, where do I need to go? I just forgot where I needed to go.
Where
I'm gonna get an apple. Let me quickly get an apple.
Please.
Yes,
Where?
I'm coming to get an apple. I'm coming down in the basement.
Well, where is that room? Where? I cannot tell you because you're just gonna go run and get it. So, I'm gonna find it. How
I
did
died.
you die?
Oh my goodness, I died.
And guess what? You know how you're telling me about...
I dare you to walk in there.
No.
Wait, maybe nothing might happen.
No.
Someone's right behind you.
I know. Because one is.
Oh, you're actually good.
Dead. Dead. Come on.
Game's over.
Game over?
Too
Serious?
bad we died.
Well, at least I got 10 piggy coins because I bought George.
Okay, guys, see you when we beat the game. Back to me. I'm sorry. I left the hospital with researchers when I thought you were infected, Roblox states D.A. They helped me protect myself, and now I look like this. No matter how much they changed me, nothing could protect me from my mistakes. Finally, you know we're real. Now tell me, what did you do to my family? They wanted to help me with my research. You took them away from me. You hurt them. Now I'm gonna hurt you. George, don't do it. If you hurt him, you're no better than him. It would only turn you into what he hated the most in him. I guess you're right. You need to leave now. It's not safe here. He's right. This place is infested. I'll fight the infected here until I drop. It's time I try to redeem myself. Good luck, Mr. P. Let's meet up with Zizzy and Pony. Are you coming, Roblox DXDA? No, I should go with Mr. P. I cannot leave without him. You know? Are you gonna come with me? Are you? No, you're gonna go to George. Okay, I'll go to Mr. P. Mr. P, we can't leave you behind. You need to come with us. Roblox DXDA, look out! I got killed. Thank you guys for watching me get the bad chapter on this video. Thank you for all of the subscribers that we've gotten so far. Please subscribe to this video, like the video, and share this video to other people you know. And thanks for watching. See you guys later.